South Africa needs a better way to get around. The current transportation system is heavily reliant on cars, which dominate the streets and contribute to congestion and pollution. Cars are everywhere, but not everyone can afford one. This leaves many people without reliable transportation options, making it difficult for them to commute to work, school, or other essential places. Walking and cycling are good options, but they can be dangerous. The lack of dedicated infrastructure for pedestrians and cyclists means they often have to share the road with fast-moving vehicles, putting their safety at risk. A national policy on non-motorized transport, or NMT, can fix these problems. By prioritizing the needs of pedestrians and cyclists, we can create a more inclusive and sustainable transportation system. This means making roads safer for pedestrians and cyclists. Implementing measures such as dedicated bike lanes, pedestrian crossings, and traffic calming zones can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. It also means creating more spaces for people to walk and cycle. Expanding the network of sidewalks, bike paths, and pedestrian zones will encourage more people to choose these healthier and more environmentally friendly modes of transport. A national policy will help different parts of the country work together. By coordinating efforts across municipalities and regions, we can ensure a cohesive and efficient transportation network that benefits everyone. It will make sure everyone is following the same rules. Standardizing traffic regulations and safety measures across the country will create a more predictable and safer environment for all road users. This is important for creating a safe and efficient transportation system. A well-planned NMT policy can reduce traffic congestion, lower emissions, and improve the overall quality of life for South Africans. Right now, it feels like cars always come first. This car-centric approach neglects the needs of those who rely on walking, cycling, or public transport. We need to change that. By adopting a national NMT policy, we can create a more balanced and equitable transportation system that serves the needs of all South Africans, not just those who can afford to drive. NMT is good for the environment. Cars pollute the air we breathe. Walking and cycling do not. This is important for fighting climate change. A national NMT policy will encourage people to choose greener ways to travel. Imagine a South Africa with cleaner air and quieter streets. This is possible with more people choosing NMT. It's about creating a healthier future for everyone. The government has a big role to play in shaping the future of our cities and communities. They need to invest significantly in non-motorized transport (NMT) infrastructure to create a more sustainable and accessible environment for everyone. This means building more sidewalks that are wide, well-lit, and accessible to all, including people with disabilities. It also involves creating dedicated bike lanes that are safe and clearly marked, as well as crosswalks that ensure pedestrian safety. They also need to make sure these spaces are safe and well-maintained, with regular cleaning and surveillance to prevent crime and accidents. The government should launch extensive public awareness campaigns to educate people about the benefits and importance of NMT. They need to show South Africans the numerous benefits of walking and cycling, such as improved physical health and mental well-being. This includes talking about the health benefits, the positive impact on the environment by reducing carbon emissions, and the economic advantages of reducing transportation costs and traffic congestion. Section 4, Cleaner Air, Safer Streets. Reducing carbon emissions is a major goal. NMT can help achieve this. A national policy should set targets for reducing car use. It should also promote the use of electric bicycles. Safety is another key objective. The policy needs to address the high number of pedestrian and cyclist fatalities. This requires stricter traffic enforcement and better road design. Section 5. Bridging the gap in rural communities. NMT is especially important for rural areas. Many people in these communities don't have access to cars. Walking and cycling are often their only options. A national policy should prioritize NMT infrastructure in these areas. This will provide safer and more accessible transportation options. It will also connect people to schools, hospitals, and markets. Section 6. A healthier nation on the move. Non-motorized transport, or NMT, is incredibly beneficial for our health. It encourages physical activity, which is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Walking and cycling are not just great forms of exercise, they're also accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. These activities can be easily integrated into our daily routines. Regular walking and cycling can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. These activities promote cardiovascular health and overall well-being. A healthier population translates to a stronger economy. When people are healthy, they are more productive and can contribute more effectively to the workforce. Promoting NMT can significantly reduce healthcare costs by preventing lifestyle-related diseases. This means fewer hospital visits and lower medical expenses for individuals and the government. Additionally, NMT can create new job opportunities in the cycling and tourism industries. Bike shops, rental services, and guided tours can thrive, boosting local economies. NMT is not just about transportation, it's about fostering a sense of community. It encourages social interactions and helps build stronger, more connected neighborhoods. It's about building a better South Africa for everyone. By embracing NMT, we can create a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for all.